Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove a battery from Canon camera. So first let's power off our camera with the switch up right here. Then we need to open the battery hatch, which is located on the bottom side of the camera. Just switch it to the open side. And here you can find the battery. To remove it, we'll need to press on the lever on the left side and it should slide out like this. If you want to insert it, then grab the battery, align it with the ports visible right there, and just slide it in and push it with your finger until you hear the click noise. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.